The Indira Gandhi National Open University, popularly known as IGNOU, is one of the world's largest educational institutions. It serves the educational aspirations of millions of students who enroll themselves in its academic programs for a brighter future.
Hello friends, today we are going to talk about IGNOU admissions. The process of admission in IGNOU is completely online and you can complete this process in a very short time sitting at home or in your office without any difficulty.
IGNOU offers admission to the learners twice a year, that is, in January session and in July session. We would like to inform you that IGNOU has different admission portals for its ODL programs and online programs. They are ignouadmission.samarth.edu.in for ODL programs and ignouiop.samarth.edu.in for online programs. Learners can opt for its programs as per their choice and convenience. For taking admission in IGNOU's distance learning programs, visit the official website of IGNOU, which is www.ignou.ac.in. On the home page, you will find the link Register Online. Click on the same and press the Fresh Admission button. You can also go directly to our admission portal for ODL programs, which is ignouadmission.samarth.edu.in. For taking admission in IGNOU's online programs, you can directly go to our admission portal ignouiop.samarth.edu.in. You can get program-related details by clicking on the Program Information button on the admission portal. The candidates are advised to read all the instructions and details of the chosen program carefully. The candidates must register themselves first before submitting the admission form online. Press the button, click here for new registration to register yourself on the website. This process is really easy. After making registration, the confirmation will be instantly sent to you via email and SMS. You can now log into the website and fill the form. Before filling the admission form, make a checklist with your correct personal details like your name, date of birth, father's name, email ID with correct spelling, address, etc. Don't forget to mention your area PIN code while filling up the form so that your study material can be delivered to you on time. While filling up the admission form, you will be given a choice to opt either for printed study material or digital study material. In case you opt for digital study material, you can avail a discount of 15% in the program fee. Please note that you can download the study material from IGNOU e-Content app or e-Gyan-Kosh. Please make sure that you mention the correct mobile number and email address in the admission form so that you can receive all the messages and emails sent by the university. Before uploading your documents, photograph and signature, please make sure that they are of the permissible size. Signature and photograph must not be more than 100 KB and rest of the documents not more than 200 KB. Please note that it is mandatory to scan documents from the originals. Scan from the photocopies will not be accepted. Before proceeding for filling up the admission form, the applicant must keep scans of passport-size photographs, signature and documents handy. You can make online payment using your debit card, credit card, UPI or net banking. Please note that in case the admission gets cancelled for some reason, the fee will be refunded electronically to the same account from where the payment was made. The applicants can also choose a study center as per their convenience. The list of IGNOU's study centers along with the programs is available in the program information. The candidates are advised to fill all the details accurately and upload the required documents carefully. After that, review your data and confirm the details. Please note that once the payment is made, you won't be able to make any changes in the admission form. After submitting the details, you will be asked to make the online payment. You can choose to make online payment using your debit card, credit card, net banking, etc. After making the payment, you may download the filled-in application form and keep a printout for your record. After the successful submission of the application form, once the admission gets confirmed, you will be further notified about the same on your registered mobile number and email address. After the confirmation of admission, you can download your IGNOU identity card by logging into ignouadmission.samarth.edu.in. If you are taking admission in one of the online programs, then you need to visit ignouiop.samarth.edu.in and you can download your student identity card. You can also create your student account by clicking on New Registration tab on the same link after 15 days of confirmation of admission. And then you can avail different services offered by IGNOU to its students.
It may so happen that you are not in a position to complete the entire application process in one sitting. But you don't need to worry about this. You can complete your application in multiple sittings because our application is divided in different stages and every stage the information that you submit is saved. So next time you log in, you will start from the point where you left the application and you don't have to complete the entire process all over again. In the process of making payment, there is internet disruption or power disruption and your account may get debited and you may not get the acknowledgement from the online admission portal. Please don't worry about this because the payment will eventually get updated. You have to wait for 24 hours for the payment to get updated. However, if the account is not debited, then you can make a fresh attempt and complete the payment process. So learners, we saw how you can complete the online admission process very conveniently without taking anybody's support and in a very short period of time.